It's a biggest 100 by SSV Jaiswal, and now he has departed from the crease, and 101 he made, and it's a third century, two double century against England when India had come to India in 2024 tour, and now the very first innings in England soil, and he has made 101, 159 deliveries, 16 fours, and one big sixes. And actually, he was struggling, especially when the ball hit into the elbow, right elbow, I think, and he was in pain, but he has completed his turn and he looks like so delighted after completing his turn. So very crucial 100, but just after 100 it has been declared a T, and after T he got out bowled by Ben Stokes, the captain of England. So now India lost the three wicket, two wicket at lunch, and the third one of just after a tea. So approximately it was a very good innings, and it will led our team into the big total, but it's a very good innings, no doubt about that. And he has been so consistency in batting, we can show since his debut, and now 500 he has made as an opener. So he has been a bright future cricketer for Team India, and since Australia tour in the first test, it was also the first test of the series. He has hit a century, but after that, in all four tests, the runs hadn't come. So we cannot repeat the same story in this biggest, toughest test series versus England. So we will hopeful for SSC Jaiswal. He will make more hundreds in this series because he looks like a typical Virender Sehwag style, so aggressive, so calm and cool, how to play the shots, all around shots he has. So very good performance he has made in this uh, innings actually, and as an opener he looks like a so calm and cool, and so many balls England pacers had bowled outside the off stump, but he had shown his patience. Rahul patience has been over and he got out, but SSV hadn't give up, and that's the result. He made another 100. So praiseworthy innings, and it's a applause innings, and I think this innings will take a good boost of our team India's inning, and we can look 400 plus runs. SSV just all departed, but our captain Suman Gill on crease, Pant is there, and then Karul Nair. So it is a long batting lineup. Then Jadeja, Sadul can bat as well. So today we cannot lose all wicket. We are so hopeful we will bat it tomorrow as well. So let's see what will happen tomorrow. But the game is on. At stumps I will come. But this is the very good innings on the day first day first. So at 100 it is a great start. So let's see at stumps how many runs India will made. So thank you so much. At stumps I will come to you, and this is the fabulous innings, no doubt about that. So it is the SSV Jaiswal superb innings. Thank you so much. Connect to me and subscribe as well. Thank you.